Forget protein powder. This natural food stops muscle loss instantly. Yes, instantly. And no, it's not a supplement or some expensive shake. It's real food you probably already have in your kitchen, and studies show it can start reversing muscle loss within just 30 minutes of eating it. If you're over 60, this video could change the way you think about protein forever. Because what if I told you that the billion-dollar supplement industry has been hiding something simple, affordable, and far more effective than anything in a plastic tub? Today, I'll show you 8 everyday foods that work better than protein powders. Foods that help rebuild muscle, strengthen bones, and keep you independent for years to come. So make sure to watch until the end, because the final food on this list is so powerful, it shocked researchers, and it costs less than $2. But first, I want to hear from you. How old are you and where are you watching from? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Let's be honest. The protein powder industry has done an incredible job of convincing seniors they need their products to stay strong. Those sleek ads with silver-haired models drinking shakes promise strength, energy, and anti-aging miracles. But what they don't tell you is that most powders are more chemistry than nutrition. Here's the truth. When protein is stripped from its natural source, heated, processed, and packed with synthetic additives, your body no longer recognizes it the same way. You're getting isolated amino acids without the enzymes, fats, minerals, and natural compounds that make protein actually work. And for older adults, that's a big problem. As we age, digestion slows and the gut becomes more sensitive. That's why so many seniors who use protein powders complain of bloating, gas, and nausea, because those products are designed for young athletes, not aging bodies. The result? You spend money, feel full, but your muscles stay weak. Your body was never meant to thrive on lab-made powders. It was meant to be nourished by real whole foods that nature designed perfectly for your biology. Here's why whole foods are far more powerful for seniors than any supplement on the market. First, there's something scientists call food synergy. Every nutrient in a whole food works together like an orchestra, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids all playing in harmony. A scoop of powder? That's just one lonely instrument playing out of tune. Second, whole foods come with their own built-in helpers, the cofactors that make digestion smooth and protein absorption efficient. Processed powders might brag about added vitamins, but those are often synthetic, poorly absorbed, and out of balance. Third, real foods digest at the perfect pace for older adults. Powders hit your system fast, then disappear, leaving your muscles starving again within hours. Whole foods, on the other hand, release nutrients steadily, protecting your muscles all day long. And let's not forget the most overlooked advantage, taste and joy. Real food feels like food. It smells good, tastes good, and keeps you consistent. Because let's face it, nobody looks forward to choking down a chalky shake every day. That's why today, we're switching gears from factory-made powders to the 8 natural foods that help rebuild muscle faster, taste better, and work with your body, not against it. Let's get into the first food on our list. Food number 8, ricotta cheese. This old-fashioned dairy food is one of the richest natural sources of whey protein, the same ingredient found in protein powders, but in its pure, unprocessed form. Ricotta's whey is surrounded by healthy fats, minerals, and enzymes that help your body absorb every gram efficiently. It's also packed with leucine, the key amino acid that flips the muscle-building switch in your body. 1 cup gives you nearly 3 grams of leucine, enough to tell your body to stop breaking down muscle and start rebuilding it. Even better, ricotta digests easily, making it perfect for seniors who struggle with powders or hard meats. Have half a cup in the morning with berries or a drizzle of honey, and your muscles will thank you. Food number 7, watermelon. It may sound strange, but this sweet fruit is a muscle protector. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that boosts blood flow by increasing nitric oxide. That means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, helping them recover faster and work longer. Studies show that eating watermelon or drinking its juice can reduce soreness by up to 40%. Plus, it's full of potassium and lycopene, both vital for strong, flexible muscles. Eat it before or after light exercise, or enjoy it as an afternoon snack to refresh and recharge. Food. Number 6. Canned salmon. It's not fancy, but it's one of the most complete muscle foods on the planet. A small can provides 25 grams of complete protein and powerful omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3s make your muscles more sensitive to protein, meaning your body uses it more efficiently. They also fight inflammation, which is a major reason muscles weaken with age. The edible bones inside are rich in calcium and vitamin D, both essential for muscle contraction and strength. For just a few dollars, canned salmon delivers more real nutrition than any supplement ever could. Food number 5. Whole eggs. Forget the old myth about cholesterol. Whole eggs, yolk included, are one of nature's most complete proteins. Research shows that eating whole eggs after activity builds up to 40% more muscle than egg whites alone. The yolk provides vitamin D, choline, and key nutrients that amplify the effects of protein. The result? Stronger muscles, better balance, and sharper energy. Scramble them in olive oil, make an omelet, or enjoy a boiled egg with vegetables. Simple, cheap, powerful. Before we move on, let me take a quick moment to ask, how's your health been lately? And if you're finding this video helpful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more science-backed tips to keep your body strong after 60. And if you'd like to support our channel, click the Super Thanks button below to send a small gift. It really helps us keep making helpful videos for seniors just like you. Food number 4, kefir. If you've never tried it, kefir looks like a simple yogurt drink. But for your muscles, it's a secret weapon. Kefir is packed with probiotics that improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your gut. Why does that matter? Because your gut and your muscles are connected. Scientists call it the gut-muscle axis. A healthy gut helps your body absorb protein better and use it more efficiently. The protein in kefir is already partially broken down by fermentation, so your body doesn't have to work as hard to digest it. That means nearly every gram goes straight toward rebuilding muscle. It's also rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps feeding your muscles for hours, even while you sleep. Drink a small glass of kefir before bed, and your muscles will stay nourished through the night instead of breaking down. Kefir also helps direct calcium into your bones and muscles, thanks to vitamin K2, created naturally during fermentation. For extra benefits, try blending it with a few berries or a spoonful of ground flax seeds. You'll get antioxidants and omega-3s in one go. Smooth, tangy, and refreshing. Kefir is one of the easiest daily habits to protect your strength. Food number 3. Black beans. Now let's move to a plant-based powerhouse that deserves more credit. Black beans. 1 cup of cooked black beans gives you nearly 18 grams of protein and a wealth of nutrients your muscles depend on. But what really makes them unique is resistant starch, a special kind of fiber that feeds your gut bacteria. Those bacteria produce butyrate, a compound proven to protect muscle and improve strength. Black beans also have what researchers call the second meal effect. That means eating them once helps your body use protein more effectively. Not just in that meal, but in the next one too. They're full of magnesium for muscle function and folate for building new cells. The combination keeps your muscles strong, your energy stable, and your blood sugar balanced. All critical factors for avoiding muscle decline after 60. And here's a bonus. The dark color of black beans comes from anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, which help fight muscle damage and inflammation. Enjoy them in soups, salads, or as a side dish with rice, and you'll be fueling your muscles naturally and effectively. Food number 2, beets. Next up is one of nature's best-kept secrets for stamina and muscle power, beets. These deep red roots are packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. That compound opens up your blood vessels, improving circulation so more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. Studies show that drinking beet juice or eating cooked beets can increase muscle efficiency by up to 16%, helping you stay active longer and recover faster. Beets also contain betalains, powerful antioxidants that calm inflammation and protect your muscle cells from aging damage. They even help your body produce creatine naturally, the same compound found in many expensive fitness supplements. Eating beets before walking, gardening, or light workouts helps your body move easier, breathe deeper, and recover quicker afterward. Roasted, boiled, or blended into smoothies, however you enjoy them, beets are a game changer for energy and muscle protection. Food. Number 1. Sardines and olive oil. Finally, the last food on our list, and possibly the most powerful of them all. Sardines may be small, but they're loaded with nutrients your muscles crave. One small can gives you 23 grams of complete protein, plus a huge dose of omega-3s, vitamin D, calcium, and CoQ10, a compound your cells use for energy. Omega-3s make your muscles more responsive to protein, while vitamin D strengthens muscle contractions and prevents weakness. The healthy fats from olive oil help your body absorb all these nutrients efficiently and reduce inflammation at the same time. Sardines even contain soft, edible bones that are rich in calcium and phosphorus, gentle on the stomach, and perfect for seniors who avoid pills or supplements. Best of all, sardines are inexpensive, shelf-stable, and ready to eat. Mash them on whole grain toast, mix them into salads, or enjoy them right out of the can. They work quietly behind the scenes, protecting your strength, boosting energy, and even supporting your heart. Senior Vital Health Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It's not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you're managing chronic conditions, taking medications, or have food allergies. Everyone's health needs are unique, and your doctor can help tailor these recommendations safely to you. Today, we uncovered 8 real whole foods that protect your muscles and may even work better than store-bought protein powders. From ricotta cheese that stops muscle loss within minutes, to watermelon that boosts recovery and circulation, to canned salmon, eggs, kefir, black beans, beets, and sardines, each one plays a unique role in preserving your strength, mobility, and independence. These aren't just foods. They're your body's natural defense system against aging and muscle decline. And the best part, every single one of them is affordable, accessible, and easy to enjoy daily. So the choice is yours. Keep spending money on processed powders that often cause bloating and discomfort, or embrace real foods that your body actually knows how to use. Every meal is an opportunity to rebuild, refuel, and reclaim your strength. Thank you for joining me today on Senior Vital Health, where we help older adults eat smarter, move stronger, and age better. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps more seniors find this information. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. And if you'd like to send a small token of support, tap the Super Thanks button below. Every little bit helps us create more helpful health videos for our senior community. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 8 foods are you most excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one, and your story might just inspire someone else. Remember, real food builds real strength. Stay active, eat well, and keep living strong, because aging should never mean losing power. Until next time, this is Senior Vital Health, reminding you that your best years can still be your strongest.